the next questions are asking about abbreviations for household measures, apothecary measures, and some others. So the abbreviation for ounce is OZ. The abbreviation for tablespoon, there's a couple, but in this book we use capital T, and teaspoon is lowercase t. Drops, this is something that's very important for IVs, so we're going to be seeing a lot of this. The abbreviation is GTT. It's from Latin. It's actually very commonly missed. A lot of people will put DPS or just GT or DTT. So it's none of those. It's GTT. And grain is GR. And milliequivalents is MEQ, and the E is capitalized. Milliequivalents are grams of drug in 1 milliliter of solution. And then lastly is units. And the abbreviation for units, there actually isn't one. So it's just units. It's not U. And the reason for this is with people's handwriting, a lot of times the U can look like maybe a 0. And if there's an extra 0 on the end of a number, that could be dangerous. So we have to write out the entire word units. Okay, so writing the abbreviated form, 16 milliequivalents is 16 MEQ, 22 grains would be 22 GR, and 7 drops would be 7 GTT.